Guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you what is creator mode on LinkedIn and what are the benefits of using creator mode on LinkedIn. So, in a simple words, creator mode is for creators. If you are a content creator like YouTube content creator or maybe Facebook content creator, Instagram content creator, and if you create content on a regular basis on LinkedIn, you can turn on this feature which is called creator mode. And if you turn on this feature, you get some extra features, you get some extra options which are pretty useful for creators. Now let's go through the benefits or the usage of creator mode. So the first benefit is the connect button on your profile will change to follow. So you might have seen there is, you will be able to connect if you click on the button over here, and that button says connect, right? But now it is showing follow. Why it is happening? Because this person, this Tony Robbins, the creator, has changed his profile into creator mode, right? So once the profile turns on the creator mode, the button that says connect change into follow. Even the user will see the number of followers this particular profile has. As you can see here, you will be able to see the number of followers as well, right? So this is the first perk, or you can say the first benefit. Now let's go to the second one. Second one is when someone send you a connection request after you turn on creator mode, they will also follow you while they await your response. Basically, let me go back to once again here. So here you will be able to see the follow button only, right? But if the user want to send you a connection request, for that they need to click on this three dot icon, and there they'll be able to see the connect button, right? And when they click on connect button, they will automatically follow you as well, right? They will automatically become a follower of yours, and still they can wait for the approval, connection approval from your side, right? And if you reject the approval request, they will still be the follower of yours. Till then they manually remove you from their following list, right? So this is also one more amazing perk of turning on your creator mode if you are a creator, content creator on LinkedIn. Now here you'll be able to see, even if you decline their invitation, they will still follow your posts until they manually unfollow you, right? As I already told you. Now the third benefit is you can display the topics you post about in your profile introduction as hashtags. As you can see here, as a creator, we can display the topics on which we talk about or on which we create content, right? So this is only for creator modes. You can display your topics basically and the hashtag of yours, so that people can follow those hashtags and become a regular content consumer of yours, right? Now here I have mentioned extra that this will make it easier for other LinkedIn members to discover your content and follow you, right? I hope you got the point. Now the fourth point is will highlight your original content on your profile, moving your feature and activity section to be the first on your profile. So here we do have one section in our LinkedIn profile that is known as activity section. So when you turn on your creator mode, you'll be able to see, I mean your audience will be able to see the posts you have posted recently, right? But if you don't turn on this creator mode, they'll even be able to see the activities you are doing, like where you are commenting, where you are liking the someone other's post. But after turning on the creator mode, this works like a proper social media influencer, where it will show your audience only that what kind of content you have uploaded, what are the updates you have post on your profile, right? Only those things. Here you can read, in addition, the activity section on your profile will no longer include your likes, comments and other activities. As I already told you, when will still be available when you click to see all activity. So if the persons see all activity, then they'll be able to see. Even let's say they want to see the engagement or the like, comment and all of this particular post only. So for that they need to click on the see more button, right? Like this. Now let's go to the next benefit, and that is you can add a link to your introduction section of your profile to drive traffic to your website content, upcoming events. So here there is one more amazing benefit of creator mode is you can add a link, extra link over here, like you can add into your Instagram bio, right? Same you can do here as well when you turn on your creator mode. So by adding that link, you can drive traffic to your website, to any other content, to your blog, to your YouTube channel, to your upcoming event, anything, right? Now let's go to the next benefit, get discovered. You become eligible to be featured as a suggested creator to follow, so that potential followers can find you and find your content across LinkedIn. Yes, so when you turn on this creator mode, you get more eligible, and even LinkedIn profile also boost, I mean LinkedIn platform also boost your profile in order to help you grow as a content creator, because as many as content creator grows on LinkedIn platform, LinkedIn will also grow eventually, right? So they will boost your profile by suggesting your profiles to the potential audience who can follow you or who can like your content, right? Now the next benefit is, the last one is last one, but not the least one, is access to creator features. So there are many other creator features, creator tool you can say, which you get freely once you turn on this creator mode. Here I have mentioned, if you meet the access criteria, you can get access to free tools such as LinkedIn Live, newsletter. Visit the creator tool section in the creator mode flow. You will see available next to the ones you have access to. Basically, these are the tools: LinkedIn Live, audio event, newsletter, follow link. So these are the tools, or you can say some extra creator perks you get once you turn on your creator mode and once you reach the criteria, right? I hope you understood why LinkedIn creator mode is available and what are the benefit of using or turning on your LinkedIn creator mode, right? I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. So let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video.